back to my channel. So today I have exciting unboxing to show you guys, and this time round is from Dior for their Christmas event 2020. So I brought tons of beauty and skincare products to show you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's start with one of my favorite items, which is something that I've been looking for the longest time. It's actually their Dior Prestige cushion. So it's called a Le Cushion Tint Rose, and I always wanted to get this design, but it's in gold color. I'll show you guys a close-up detail right now, so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect if you were to buy their foundation cushion. So this is the Dior Prestige Le Cushion in 010 Ivory. The sales assistant recommended me this for my skin tone. It actually comes in 5 different shades. Just pick one that suits yourself best. So that's how the packaging looks like. It's actually kind of like mirror, which is great, and it's in gold color. The inside looks like this with a Dior cushion. Super clean and classy. So if you open up the inside, it comes with another protection. You have to tear it out before using it. And the sales assistant was telling me that it comes with SPF, so it's super great, and I think it just looks super cute in my makeup collection. Next up is something that I've been using. It's actually given by my sales assistant, and I used the mask for the longest time, and I realized that it actually makes my pores look super small, like way smaller. So it's kind of like picture perfect. So this that I bought is called Pores Away Pink Clay Mask. It's super adorable. It comes in 50 ml. It's quite pricey for this small tub of it. It costs about $92. I'll show you guys how the packaging and all looks like right now. Next up, we have the Dior Hydra Light Pores Away Pink Clay Mask. It's something that I was looking forward to. And yeah, it is in this really nice packaging. That says Dior at the very top. Is clay enriched with natural minerals, and you only need to use it for 3 minutes, which deeply purify the skin and give you the instant boost, and it smells super wonderful as well. So I absolutely love this product. Next is something that I already started using, and I actually used it on my face this morning as my foundation. It is their Forever Skin Correct Dior concealer. It actually covers super well, and it has better coverage than their foundation. So their assistant recommended me this since they are worried that the foundation might not have enough coverage that I was looking how the packaging and all looks like. So yeah. Next is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. It costs about $63, and it's supposed to be long lasting, which I tried today, and it's lasting super well. I just love everything about the Dior packaging because it looks so classy and just looks wonderful even if you take it out of your makeup pouch when you want to touch up and stuff like that. And yeah, I just can't wait to use it long term wise. So the next product is their doll gift. So it comes in this really cute packaging, which I'll show you guys later. So it's their cleansing foam and their foundation. So they usually give like doll gift for events like this, so you can use a sample and see whether you like them. So for my case, if I like them, I'll probably go back for a second round. I particularly like their cleansing foam because it smells super great, and it's something similar to the spa facial that I've been going at Dior. So yeah, I'll show you guys the details of the products right now. So this is your doll gift, the Dior Prestige set. It comes with the foundation and micellar mousse, which both I try to use it and I love it so much. I think I'm gonna purchase a real life size of it because it smells so great and it cleanses my face so well. So yeah. Lastly, we have their Dior pouch, which looks super cute, and it comes in different mini sample size items as well as one perfume as well. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like, and it actually comes in this packaging. So this is something that you'll get if you spend a certain amount during that event and stuff like that. So different amount have different tiles, and yeah, mine is I spent around like $400 or $500 on it, and then I gotten the pouch and some other items as well. Lastly, their Dior pouch, which is so adorable. So it comes in their mascara, perfume, and cleansing water, as well as some cell energy capture, which is a moisturizing cream. This whole set is just so cute, and I can't wait to use the pouch. I think I can use it as a koi pouch as well. So thank you guys for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.